How to check transaction history in Zelle. First of all, open the Zelle app on your device or access it through your bank's mobile app and log into your account. Next, on the home screen, tap on the Pay and Transfer button located at the bottom left corner of the app. From the options that appear, select Activity. This will show you a variety of account activities, but we are focusing on Zelle. Now tap on the Zelle line to view all payments you have received through Zelle. If you want to check the payments you have sent, click on Money Sent. This section will display all transfers made from your Zelle account to other accounts. To see more details about a specific transaction, tap on the transaction itself. You will see the recipient's information, memo if added, the account the payment came from, the transaction number, and the amount. Regularly checking your Zelle transaction history helps you keep track of your payments, verify received funds, and manage your finances efficiently. Now you know how to check your Zelle transaction history. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more finance tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.